Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video we're going to kick off our 30-day series on artificial intelligence. AI is one of the hottest areas in the economy today, and in our month-long series we're going to take a look at various aspects of artificial intelligence and try to demystify and debunk some of the myths that are going on around this subject. We'll also bring you up to date on some of the most recent advancements. First, we're going to start off with some basic definitions of artificial intelligence to frame the discussion for the rest of the series of these videos. Let's go ahead and get started. Welcome to our AI series. Over the next 30 days, we'll cover basic AI topics, tools, applications, and career opportunities. AI is everywhere, from voice assistants to self-driving cars, transforming industries like healthcare and finance. Let's dive into what AI is and how it works. Over the next 30 days, we'll cover AI basics, tools, applications, and career opportunities. We'll learn what AI is, how it works, and its transformative impact. AI is ubiquitous, from voice assistants and self-driving cars to healthcare and finance. But what is AI? How does it work? And why is it important today? Let's explore further. AI can learn, adapt, and improve over time, making it powerful for applications like speech recognition, medical diagnosis, fraud detection, and autonomous systems. Core AI tasks include machine learning, computer vision, NLP or natural language processing, and expert systems. Artificial intelligence encompasses several key areas: learning from data through machine learning, recognizing patterns with computer vision, and understanding and processing human language with NLP, and making decisions and problem solving using expert systems. AI surpasses traditional software by learning and adapting over time. It's used in speech recognition, medical diagnosis, fraud detection, and autonomous systems. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to computer systems that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence, such as those typically done by humans. AI has evolved significantly over the decades, starting from the 1950s with Alan Turing's Turing test through the AI winter of the 1970s and 80s to the resurgence of AI in the 1990s with IBM's Deep Blue, and finally breakthroughs in deep learning and big data in the 2010s. In the 1950s and 60s, AI emerged as a field with Alan Turing's Turing test. However, in the 1970s and 80s, AI research slowed due to limited computing power, leading to the AI winter. Since the 2010s, advancements in deep learning, big data, and cloud computing have led to significant AI developments, including ChatGPT, self-driving cars, and real-time language translation. In the 1990s and 2000, AI resurged with better hardware and data. IBM's Deep Blue defeated Garry Kasparov in 1997, marking a hallmark event for artificial intelligence. AI can be divided into three types: narrow AI, which performs specific tasks; general AI, which can do any intellectual task a human can do but doesn't exist yet; and super AI, a hypothetical AI surpassing human intelligence. Super AI refers to a hypothetical artificial intelligence that surpasses human intelligence. It's capable of advanced reasoning, creativity, and decision-making. Currently, this concept remains within the realm of science fiction. There are two main types of AI: narrow AI, which is common today and performs specific tasks, and general AI, which is more advanced and can perform any intellectual task but does not yet exist. AI is revolutionizing various sectors. In healthcare, it aids in early disease detection and robotic surgery. Finance benefits from fraud detection and automatic trading. Retail uses AI for recommendation engines. And transportation sees self-driving cars reshaping mobility. Education is enhanced by AI-powered tutors. Let's debunk some common myths about AI. AI automates tasks but creates new job opportunities. It is task-specific and lacks common sense or emotions. While AI mimics human intelligence, it doesn't have consciousness or emotions. In this video, we discussed the definitions, history, types, and importance of AI and debunk some common myths. Tomorrow, we'll explore narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Tomorrow we'll explore the types of AI: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.